Hi, good morning everyone. This is Anurag Run. Today my session is basically based on 7 steps of Kaizen implement. Now first of all, please subscribe my channel. Quality is everything is my channel name, and please watch and share my full video. Today I basically define how you will to implement Kaizen in your organization. So let's move to start. First, today my training agenda is 7 steps of Kaizen implement. Now we'll discuss on 7 steps of Kaizen implement. Means how you will to implement Kaizen in your manufacturing, yeah, maybe other sectors. So basically total 7 steps of Kaizen implement. First is the involve, second is the identify the problem, third is the solution, fourth the implement, fifth is the check, sixth the standardize, and seven is the repeat. Means if you will to follow this way, definitely you will to implement Kaizen in your organization. So step by step I will to describe the 7 step of Kaizen implement. Now we will discuss on involve. Involve means here the involvement of all employees, where your manufacturing sector, your assembly line, your pre-dispatch inspection line, your receiving inspection area, where you have to need to implement Kaizen. First of all, you need to involve the all employees where the working area. So involve means before you proceed to the second step of Kaizen, first you need to involve your employees, because it will later help you to empower your employees as well as. Now, second step is to identify the problem. Means first off we have to involve the employees. Second step to identify the problem. You know that in organization many types of problem in your organization, maybe your machining process, maybe your inspection process, maybe your PDI inspection process, maybe your some testing process, many types of problems, different area you have to identify. Now second step tell that first you need to identify the problem. Means when give the responsibility to your employees, just say the employees, you first collect the problems in your respective area. Means when you have to 360-degree feedback, after 360 review you have to identify the problems. Means identify the problem means the second step to implement Kaizen is to accept and find problem in your organization. For this you need to take a 360-degree feedback and involve your employees. Means for example, if in your organization, if you are working and in your organization 7 different section, and each section you have to identify 10 problems. So you have to collect total 60 problems. So first step you have to identify the involve the people. Second is to identify the problem, means collect the problems. Now move to the third. Now come to the solution. On the first step we have to discuss on involve the people, means involve the employees in your organization. Second step we have to discuss on identify the problem. Third step we come on the solution. You know that solution means how will to give the solution of the problem. That is the most important in all the step of 7 step of Kaizen implement. So solution means, again, this is somewhere where more brains and thoughts are much better than a single brain. Managers can make teams of creative employees who are experienced, and thus employee can be focused on the problem solving. They might have to dedicate a specific time to find a solution to the problems the firm is facing. The time frame is critical. We want to solution to come forward in a relaxed and creative manner, and do not shut down any suggestion because it might come in later. Even if it not completely used and implemented, write down the solution, and by using own experience and the experience of the team, shortlisted the suggestion which make the most sense. You can take the suggestion for implementation. Now when you have to involve the teams, just collect the ideas from the team, what will be the solution, and take the solution from all team members and don't neglect the any members in the team, and just write down the on solution. On the analysis based, you have to finalize the base solution. It will be helpful for the resolving your problem. So in this solution step, you have to go through the brainstorming. On the base of brainstorming, you have to resolve the problem. On the half of brainstorming, you have to finding the solution, and on the base of solution, you have to implement. Now come to the fourth step, implement. If your solution is okay, then go for the implement. Means small scale implementation is the best way to test out new theories, especially in large organization. Small scale implementation, step by step you have to implement your solution. Now come to the fifth step, check. Means first step we have to discuss on involve the people, means involve the staff, involve the employees. Second, we have to discuss on finding the problem. Third step, we have to discuss on solution. Fourth step, you have to discuss on implement. Now fifth step, you have to discuss on check. Many times during implementation, there is a communication of ideas to juniors where the buck is passed to someone else. This is what makes it difficult to implement Kaizen, and where checking and auditing comes into play. Means when we have to give the solution, when we have to implement the solution, now come to the checking. Means frequency checking the process. Means checking the Kaizen implementation. Yeah, if you have to implement the Kaizen, just monitoring your output. If your output is affected by implement Kaizen, that means your solution is not perfect. Then again come to the second step, means finding the come to the again third step, sorry, again come to the third step, solution. So now we'll discuss on standardize. If your checking frequency is okay, your solution is okay, everything is okay, then go for the standardize. Standardize means if the results are not positive, you need to go back to the third step, means solution, where you implement some other ideas which were on the table. Don't get frustrated and irritated, because there are many benefits to Kaizen, and slowly but surely we will notify the benefits. This is why we took only 10 tasks to improve on the second step. Now come to the repeat. On the first step, initially we have to discuss about, we have already defined that. First of all, when you have to collect the problem, you have to identify the all problem, and first step you have to work on the 10 problems. Then when you have to resolve the 10 problems, then go for the next 10 problems for resolving the solution, resolving the problems on behalf of the solution. So step by step when we have to follow, your Kaizen implementation will be 100% okay, and your output will be good. So final step is the repeat. Now then we have to optimize 10 tasks which we selected the step 2. We can then rinse and repeat the complete procedure, so the further 10 tasks can be optimized. The true spirit of Kaizen is the continuous improvement and slow and gradual change. Kaizen actually means change is good. Thank you for everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Quality is everything in my channel, and please watch and share my full video. Thank you. Best of luck.